Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Nykaa app. Here we click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Nykaa app and you click here in that window as you see. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.